helmet's so bad. Well, Sunday, day of worship. No offense to anyone religious. Like, I think it is. But, going out for a nice Sunday cruise. Feeling pretty tired. But a nice, easy zone 1 spin. Back on the bike. Going back on the bike. Oof.
You're tired. You get weird when you get tired. Let's just find a motel. I don't want you dozing off.
I'm not tired. Are you kidding? Go another 100 miles. Come on.
Exactly. Oh yeah, nice recovery spin today. Felt good, but what's hard about what I'm doing is zone 2 training. It's like really slow, and as a hardcore sensation seeking personality, I just really want to push it a lot. Hammering. Sometimes in life, you just gotta stop hammering. So it's been a really good discipline. It's been awesome just to keep it disciplined, I guess. Because, well, it doesn't take away me wanting to seek sensation, that's for sure. But I guess it's doing something. Yeah, you don't really get the endorphin highs from it. So looking forward to next month when hopefully I've built this base, and then I can just really start pushing it and getting some of those endorphin rushes. Cycling would probably be a lot more fun to me after that, to be honest. It's probably what I'm missing, is like the sensations. Hammering. Today's a rest day. Thank God. I normally I'm really bad about taking rest days, and it's kind of foolish. Like, not kind of, it is foolish. Like, you have to let your body recuperate. So that's what this week is. It's a recuperation week for me. And yeah, man, the hammering of like, and just like, you know, like almost like forcing things to happen, like forcing workouts, forcing things in jobs, whatever. Just that hammering, like, let it go. You just gotta let it go sometimes so you can breathe and recuperate, let your body heal. Thanks for life. Glad to be here and have the ability to ride. So dude, that's the process, getting the point where you can be grateful and have gratitude for what's going on. Right on. Catch you later.